Hi all. I recently got an email from a user asking how Impact handles photos and can those photos be exported? Yes, Impact handles photos and yes, it can be exported. So let's look at that. So we're looking at just native Act right now. We have Impact installed and we're on the contact list. So I am going to enhance it. Now this little toggle enhances. Once you have it enhanced, it's sticky, remember. So you may not have to turn it on and off. I'm just showing you how to do that. So here we have a list view. There's 200 contacts in this database. And in Act's database, they do have a photo, a picture column, a picture field. So I'm going to go into here to the layouts. I have a layout called base, and I'm going to customize my layout, meaning I'm going to add columns to the top. So let's go into PI. Oh, photo. There it is. It's called photo. Let's add photo to our list, and we're going to add it just after the zip code. And there's our photos. So in the Act demo database, these are employees, and Act put the photos of the employees in there. Great, we have photos on our list. Now we want to export them. The easiest way to export them, you need version 12.4 of Impact, and you'll have a reports option here. I am literally just going to click on this reports option and create a report. I'll call it my photo. I'll just call it my photo export just for the moment. And it gets created using all the information on the list. And there it is. Here is my photo export. And if I scroll down there, there are my photos. Again, this is identical to whatever's on your list. And it's also identical to any filter or conditions that you have. So let me just go and say, select none, and I just want employees. So there's a list of my employees that have the photos. I'm going to go back and just run that same report. I don't have to worry about criteria or conditions. Now with the new criteria in place, all we need to do is go back to the reports menu. There's what we call the photo export. I'll click on that, and based on the conditions that you're looking inside of Act are the conditions that are passed to the report. So I have a list of 7 employees with their photos. Of course, I can email this as a PDF, but if I just wanted to say I wanted to export it, if we click on the export down link, we have all these different types of exports. So I'm going to say, oh, export it as a PDF. You have some PDF conditions there, and it's going to ask you to save on your drive. Yes, I want to save it. And there's my PDF. That's the PDF of the report. Say I wanted this as Excel. If I just come down to here, I can select which versions of Excel. And again, you have some export options here. It's asking you for a name to save on the hard drive. And now it's asking you, do you want to open it up? So there is Microsoft Excel. And as you can see, these are rows and grids with your photos attached. So that is how easy it is to export any reports that include any data and also photos. Okay, thank you for watching.